What's up, my fellow yarn bombers? My name is Michael and I'm the Crafty Crocheter. So if you are here for the first time watching my videos, thank you for stopping by and welcome. And for those of you who are returning viewers and or loyal subscribers, thank you for coming back as I appreciate your patronage. So in this video, I thought I would go over the progress reports of the two projects I'm working on. Now, for those of you who are from, who saw my live stream last Thursday, I started on a crochet project during the live stream, and then I decided that I also wanted to hone in on my knitting chops, so I decided to take on a knitting project as well. So I got two whips going right now. So I'll go right into them. So for the first one, for the crochet project, I mentioned this during my live stream, and I am calling this I'm going to go ahead and this is going to be the Cotton Candy Grainy Ripple Afghan or blanket. Now, I got the idea because I had some extra yarn left over and I wanted to use it up, and so I also wanted to learn a new pattern for a blanket. So I saw that the classic Grainy Ripple was a thing, so I decided to go with this. So let me go ahead and I am officially halfway done with it. And this is what it looks like so far. And this is going to be about 5 feet wide by, no, not 5 feet, about 50 inches wide and 5 feet in height. And this is going to be trying to be one of those like blankets you can snuggle under. It's gonna, like I said, it's a fairly easy project to do, and I am going to have a tutorial for this. And then once I get the entire body done, I am going to work a simple border around it. Now, since I already have a border down here, so to speak, when I did the single crochet stitches at the beginning, I'm just going to go around with on the sides, I'm going to do like a half double crochet through each of the chain spaces, and then at the top, once I have the second this color border done, I'm just going to do single crochets throughout. But so far, this is what it looks like so far, and then this is what it looks like when it's laid out on the floor. Alright, so that's it for that blanket. So, and I'll probably have more progress updates as I go along. I'll probably do another one once I get the body done, or I'll just do the unveiling after I get everything done. So for the second project, I saw this on multiple skeins of the Super Saver Ombre from Red Heart, and this is for their, and I'm working on this pattern here, and the pattern's inside the label, but I have an extra label, so I took one off my other skeins and decided to take a look at it and get a feel for it. And it's basically a simple knit lace triangle shawl, and this is what it looks like. I guess this is the back and this is the front. So right now I just started it yesterday, and I am on the 5th row. This is what I have so far. So basically the pattern is like you're increasing for about over 200 stitches, which is why you need the 40-inch circular needle. This is a US 8, and I did create a post about time to make another knit whip, and I detailed all the tools I'll be using that you'll need for the shawl. And once I get this done, I'll probably make a tutorial as well for this, so stay tuned for that. And so I got the idea for doing these progress reports from another YouTuber who I contact on a regular basis. His name is Andrew, and his handle is Plant Knit Fitness, and I'll include the description below to his channel, so you'll check him out. But he's the one that gave me the idea for doing these progress updates, because on his channel he also has these like progress update videos for all of his projects that he's been doing. I know he has one going on with the I think it's the Sailor Slipper right now, so again, go check him out. But yeah, I'm putting all of my progress reports under a new playlist I created. It's called Project Progress Reports, and I put one in there yesterday for the short I uploaded for this project here. So yeah. And then I also have a couple more videos coming on the pike, so stay tuned for that, which I'll be filming today. And I am going to work on trying to finish reorganizing my craft room. So if you saw my last one short of my updated organization, you'll know what I'm talking about. But I'll unveil it once it's all done. And I'm also going to be working on my husband's scrapbook because, again, I think I mentioned it in one of my other videos that his mother wanted him to complete the scrapbook that she's been wanting for years, and that now he's finally he's getting on it. Actually, he's having me do it because right now I have more time on my hands than he does. So I got all the pictures separated. I just got to get put the pictures together on the back on the cardstock, and so I'm sorry, I had to look early at the cardstock, and I have a binder and all stickers for it. And I also got to be working on some of my scrapbooks too, and so stay tuned for that. I may do an unveiling as well. So that's all I have for that. So hopefully everyone's day's going well today. Don't forget to grab your crochet hooks or your knit needles. Grab some yarn and create something beautiful today. Spread love and not hate. Gotta help each other out. Be there for one another. Love one another. Spread kindness to one another. And stay true to yourself. Love yourself. And stay on top of your mental health, because good mental health is very important any time of the year. So just like I said, for mental health, find creative outlets or find ways to improve your mental health, whether it be crocheting, knitting, crafting, or meditation, or exercise, or whatever, as long as it keeps you in a good mind space. So right now, the weather is really cold, and on Saturday they're talking about a bad cold snap coming through. And you saw my short this morning about how cold it was when I did the water test. Like you take boiling water, and then when you toss the hot water in the air, it crystallizes because the cold air turns that hot steam into snow, and it just falls down. So it's kind of a fun experiment, but just be mindful of the hot water when you're doing it. So other than that, that's all I have for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified when new videos are being released. And so on that note, take care of yourselves and each other.